Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can draw trend channels for trading crude oil market today. And the chart you are seeing is 3-minute candlestick chart, and this is the first video presentation for this trend channel analysis. And if things are going fine, we will continue posting this video analysis every day. Now let's try to place one trend channel. Now we had drawn a trend channel. So assuming whatever is happening, the market, we know that the market is moving straight away, and we had drawn this trend channel based on certain facts that how we had drawn these trend channels. We had connected the low that had created recently, and the few highs created recently. So we had projected a trend channel, assuming that if if this buying is to continue, then the price should follow this trend channel. The key important fact is the midline. How we can use this trend channel for today, because you could see the overall trend. In order to view the overall trend, or in order to pick a support or resistance, these are all diagonal support and resistance line. So it's a very effective line. If the price is coming down below and testing these diagonal resist support lines, since the price is trading above, we should act as a diagonal support lines. Then you can very well buy on these lines, and it can act as a good support also. So you should be very careful. If the price is coming down below, or if it is taking resistance in the white line, you should be a bit careful and say that let's wait for the price to test the next zone, and then you can go for buying. So this is the first projected trend line, and it is quite a long term trend channels. So if the price is trying to create a higher high, always it should try to be within this red line, the top line. If the momentum is very strong, then the price will break this red line, and it will find a support along with the red line, and it will try to move up. This is the first trend line, so I'm going to remove it, and we'll be drawing 4, maximum of 3 or 4 trend lines every day. Now we had drawn another trend line, so you could see how we had drawn this trend line. More or less both these trend lines looks the same, but the only difference is okay, I will add the previous trend line so that you will get an idea how both are different. Now I am going to add this trend line. I am going to remove, and I am going to add. Remove. Now you could see a slight deviation. Our main focus is on this midline. You could see if I am going to remove the previous trend line. So these are all various support and resistance line you can have for reference while trading. This is the second trend line we had drawn based on connecting the low which had created. We know that the high low is increased, and picking up these high zones and projecting a trend channel, expecting that the price will follow this trend channel if the price is expected to stay on the buying side for today. This is another trend channel. Probably we need to add and look at the new trend channels, one more trend channel also. This is a creatively drawn trend channels. Normally we used to pick, in order to draw a uptrend channel, we will be picking the higher lows, but what we did here is we tried to pick the recent high created at this point till yesterday, and we tried to consider this very accurate acute, we could say acute uptrend channel, and we had projected this next trend channel equal to the trend channel which had been created earlier. So it is a sort of imaginative trend channels. Most of the time this type of trend channels works a lot. In order for the price to maintain its buying, at least it should stay within these trend channels. If the price is coming down breaking any trend channel, then it is not good. So from tomorrow what we will be doing is, it is not just drawing the trend channels. Tomorrow we will come back and see how these three trend channels had performed, and to what extent these trend channels yeah, was helpful for us in trading. So since I am using a very low time frame like 3-minute candlestick chart, it should be of some help for you during day trading or analyzing the trend. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session. Tomorrow come back for the performance analysis and with a new trend channel. So thanks a lot. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.